Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to use night mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10 8.1. How do you enable or disable in your laptop as well as PC? So see guys, simply you need to click on a desktop. I have already enabled. I would like to show you demo. Click on a display because we don't have options anywhere on a text bar. So see here on a taskbar there is not show simply. I will click on a display. So in a display, see guys, here we will have options night, enable and disable. So see, category wise, of course you can set 4 hours, turn on and turn off. You can set it that for example here I would like to start it 7:30 and I would like to disable 8 o'clocks and I will click on it. Right, sign. Now see guys, here strength, of course we can increase and decrease. Of course we can accelerate and deaccelerate. So now see, it's quietly good one now, and of course I can disable it and I can enable it. So now it's a quietly good one. Similarly, there can be similar executions that can be executed in 11. Of course in a 11 Pro or Windows 10 8.1s. Do it guys, of course it will less impact on your eye directly if you are operating and if you are spending much time on your laptops. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to a operating system, of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So this is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time guys.